Okay, let's do this problem here. Okay, which says to solve for the quantity A and B in this equation over here. So we want to solve for that piece right there. We want to isolate that part right there. Okay, so this is sometimes useful in this context. All right, so let's try and isolate just that piece in there. Okay, so let me write this equation again. So we have probability of A or B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Okay, so to get that piece by itself, but different ways we can do it. We could, for example, subtract this and this from both sides, or we could add that to both sides. In fact, it doesn't really matter in the end, but let me actually add that to both sides. Okay, so let's see. I think it'll look nicer in the end, easier in the end anyway, so let's try that. So I'm going to do plus A and B plus A and B to both sides. The point is on the right side, this cancels. I have a minus and a plus, so I'm left with just probability of A plus probability of B. Here, there's nothing I can combine here, but I have here probability of A and B plus probability of A or B. Okay, remember my goal is to isolate this, so I can just now subtract probability A or B from both sides. Then I'll be done. If sort of think of canceling here, we're left with just probability of A and probability of A and B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A or B. So we get that right there. Okay, so the usual addition rule is something like this, and I seem to have lost part of this. Okay, is this, and then you could rearrange things and get another rule like this. Probability A and B is equal to that expression right here, which can be useful sometimes. And let me close this down.